If you want to download apps on a Nothing Phone 3, what you need to do is you need to simply open the Play Store. You should find it in the home screen by default over here. And of course, you can also go to the App Drawer in order to find it. Now, once you have the Play Store opened, you can go through these apps through this list. At the bottom, of course, we can select apps. And if you find something interesting, then you can select it and you have the install button. And in addition to that, you can, for example, switch to categories in the top right corner in order to search for something more specific. And if you know the name of the app that you wish to install, then of course you can also press search over here, then tap on search at the top. And here we can write the name of the app that we wish to install. There we go. You can either press install immediately on the right side, or you can tap on the app and press the install button here. Once the app is installed, you should be able to open it from the Play Store, or of course you can also go to the App Drawer, for example. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.